Again, in this video we are talking about strings in Python. So what is string? So let's go for it. String is actually anything in a single quotes. Hello, this is string. Or if you can go in double quotes, this is string. If you want to write anything else, anything in a single quotes or double quote, yeah, with all the alphabet letters and stuff, there's all strings. Hello world. Okay, so how we can assign a string to a variable? We did learn how to make a variable. It's very simple. Just x equal to, and just mention in a string hello world. That's like a one variable. So y equal to so y equal to, as I said, you can use a single quotations or you can use a double quotation. They're both same. Hello world, I am new to Python. I am okay, so that's like, it's a one variable x and there's another variable y. So in this one here, how you find a string, a length of a string. So simple, we already have these two variables. What we can do is just go print. So for example, we go print x, it would just print out the statement hello world, say this one here, because we print x, so it's printing this one. And if we want to go and print y, let's do refresh, and then you see it goes hello world, I am new to Python. So how are we going to find a length about it? Length of a string, we can go print. So we just need to go len. So len is like a built-in function. It's basically is an abbreviation for length. So it's just simple len, len, and if you click this one now, and then you will see hello world. It has 12 characters in there. So if we count the characters, so for example, h1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here is also counting this space. So if we remove this space and calculate this, now it comes 11. So same thing if we do here, print len of y. So in this we have 31 words. So if we go start counting them, so you see here we have a space. If you remove this space, now it should come to 30. Yep, that comes to 30 now. So if we start counting it, so hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, and 30. So that's like a length of a variable. So how are we going to check a string? So the string, how we check it, there's a word we use in basically to see if something is available in a string or is not available in a string. So the way it works so let me show you. For example, x is equal to string hello world, I am new to a Python, right? Let me just remove these ones so it won't make any complications. So here we're going to check print so what we have to check, for example, hello world, I am new to Python, right? So if we want to see, for example, we have this string which is like a really long file, basically you can't go everything, so you can simply just go here, a code. So what you're trying to find, for example, if I'm trying to find hello world, I'm new to Python, so just write if in x, that's it. That's like in is basically a built-in function. So I'm going to refresh again, and now you see it give us a true, which says that yes, Python is available in this variable x. If you go and write down here p, let's make another variable. Y is equal to hello world. I am PHP developer. Developer. Okay, so if we go and print, and if we see here what we're trying to see, for example, we write Python here in y. So let's see what we get. It should say false. So you see here in the first statement we have a Python. Is Python available in x? Yeah, it's so show that yeah, it's true. And in the second statement, when we say if Python available in y, there's no Python available, so it says true. If you make here like PHP or anything, it will say a different result. So now you see, now PHP in y, it is available, so that's why it shows true. So that's all in this video. We'll see you in the next one.